Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indra Mahendra. I am a visual communication design student at the Ahmad Dahlan Institute of Technology and Business, Jakarta. Today I will explain about the artist Kaus. Kaus is one of the contemporary artists who has had a significant influence on the development of modern art, particularly in emerging street art, fine art, and popular culture. The artist whose real name is Brian Donnelly is widely known for his iconic character that resemble cartoon figure with the distinctive XX eyes. The visual element function not only as an artistic identity, but also as a symbol modern human emoticons such as loneliness, loss, and self-reflection amid the fast-paced nature of urban life. Kaos' artistic journey began in public space, where he altered advertising posters on the street as a form of critique toward consumerist culture. Over time, his work evolved for street art into gallery, museum, and collaboration with global brands. The phenomenon makes Kaus an intriguing figure as he successfully blurred the boundary between art and commodity. Through a simple and easily recognizable visual language, Kaus create works that can be appreciated by a wide audience. His artwork functions not only a visual object but also as a medium of communication of reflect the social and emotional condition of contemporary society. One of Kant's main strong lines in his highly recognizable and consistent visual identity across various media. The most iconic character in his work is Companion, a figure inspired by popular cartoon form but subjected to visual distortion. Its most distinctive features are the XX eyes, replacing natural eyes, and a skull-like head with a resembling class cartoon character. These elements form a strong visual identity that distinguishes Kaus from other artists. Beyond his visual form, the body posture of Companion carries powerful meaning. Kaus often depicts his character in poses such as bowing their hand, covering their face, or standing in passive stance. This gesture reflects feeling of loneliness, loss, and emotional vulnerability experienced by modern humans. Despite its to-like appearance, the character conveys complex and universal emotional. The use of solid color and bold lines strengthens the clarity and accessibility of his visual language. Through his approach, Kaus successfully create work that are popular in appearance yet rich in meaning, allowing the to be appearance both as aesthetic object and as media for social reflection. The diversity of media used by Kaus in other important factor that enable his work to reach various layers of society. He produced artwork in the form of canvas, painting, their dimension sculpture, large-scale installation, and limited edition art toys or vinyl figure. Its medium is not merely a variation in form, but a different way of conveying the same ideas and emotion. In his painting, Kaus present iconic character and form through simple composition, solid color, and strong visual repetition. Meanwhile, large-scale sculpture and installation allow his work to inhabit public space and create immersive spatial experience for viewers. Interaction between art and urban society. Viewers, the giant cow's figure installed in major cities around the world often become symbol of interaction between art and urban society. Art toys are the most popular and accessible medium for the public. Through this format, Kaus work exists not only in galleries or museums but also within the private space of collector and fans. This cross-media approach demonstrates how Kaus views art as a flexible visual language that can exist in various contexts without losing its artistic identity. Kaus has also appeared in Indonesia, notably through the installation of Kaus sculpture at the Prambanan Temple Complex in 2023 as part of an international art exhibition. The appearance of these sculptures sparked public debate regarding the relationship between contemporary art, his historical space, and local culture values. Some viewed it as a dialogue between tradition and modernity, while others considered it inappropriate for the cultural context of heritage site. Despite the controversy, Kaus present in Indonesian illustrate how global contemporary art can provoke critical discussion in public space. His work functions not only as a visual object but also as a medium for reflection on the boundaries between art, culture, and public space. This phenomenon demonstrates the chaos works process a strong influence beyond their original culture context. Chaos can be understood not only as an artist with an iconic visual style, but also as a cultural phenomenon that but also as a cultural phenomenon that reflect contemporary life. Through simple character with XX eyes, chaos conveys modern human emotion such as loneliness, vulnerability, and the search for identity amid the overwhelming plum of popular culture. His work from that visual which appears like and easily recognizable and contain deep and relevant meaning. The presence and influence of chaos, including in Indonesia, show that contemporary art has the power to stimulate dialogue, debate, and social reflection. Through his artwork, Kaus reminds us that art is not merely about visual beauty, but also about how human understanding themselves and their environment in a constantly changing world. Okay, that's all I can say. And thank you for your time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.